Hello, and welcome to another video. Today I'll be pitching SQL to the average Excel user. If you're new to SQL, I would recommend watching my previous videos, What is SQL, and the Introduction to Writing SQL Queries first, as I'll be showing you a few examples. Let's get started. In Excel, we can simply view data right off the bat by looking at our screens. We can scroll through rows upon rows without needing to do very much. The SQL equivalent to this is the select command. Better yet, it's easy to select only specific columns from specific tables to isolate data. If you need a quick refresher, in this query select first name from students. First name is our column name and students is our table name. The sort data function in Excel can be replaced with order by in SQL. Order by allows us to organize our data by a certain column. I have a query here, select student number from program, order by GPA. Again, student number will be the resulting column, program is the table name, and GPA is the column on which the order of the data depends. The keyword DESC stands for descending and simply means I'd like to order by GPA in the reverse order. The filter data function in Excel is equivalent to the where command in SQL, followed by some sort of operator. I'll show you what I mean. In the query select student number from program where GPA is greater than 2.5, the keyword where is followed by a condition that will only return a record where the GPA value is greater than 2.5. In this case, the greater than symbol is what I mean by operator. In some cases, you will want to filter by multiple conditions, which is doable using the keywords and, or, and not. You can check out my intro to SQL queries for more on that. Maybe a little bit redundant here, but worth mentioning is delete. Delete from in SQL has the same function, and an example to follow is delete from students where last name is equal to Combs. In this query, I'm deleting all rows where the last name field contains the word Combs. To insert a row or record in SQL, we use the insert into command. I've provided an example here so you can see an idea of the syntax, but to get an idea of how this works in the context of a full table or database, you can watch the beginning portion of my Intro to Writing Queries video. Last but certainly not least is our VLOOKUP function in Excel. The equivalent to VLOOKUP, depending on what parameters or arguments you're passing into the VLOOKUP function, will be one of the SQL joins. In a very general sense, an SQL join is used to combine different data tables together, sometimes based on a condition or common fields between the tables. For syntax purposes, here is an example of a query using an inner join. It's not uncommon that a call to the VLOOKUP function in Excel will produce the same result as an inner join in SQL, but to prepare you a little more, let's take a look at what these really do. SQL has multiple types of joins. It can be tricky to figure out which one to use, so let's take a look at each one. 4 of the most common joins are inner, right, left, and full outer join. Let's take a look at this visualization here. The 2 circles in this Venn diagram represent Table 1 and Table 2, and the letters inside them represent rows. Inner join allows you to select all the rows from Table 1 and Table 2 where the join condition is satisfied. Of course, the join condition you set is up to you. Perhaps it's student number equals 1, 2, 3, 4, or something along those lines. In this visualization, the results of inner join are the rows C and D. They are the only 2 rows across both tables that satisfy our hypothetical join condition. Left join is used to select all the rows from Table 1, and in addition to everything from Table 1, we're also selecting the rows from Table 2 that meet the join condition. So again, in our visualization, if we take everything from the left side and the middle, we're left with the set of rows A, B, C, D, and H. Right join is a mirror image of left join. I'll select everything from Table 2, and from Table 1, only the rows that meet my condition. In this case, our result is the set of rows C, D, E, F, and G. A full outer join selects everything from tables 1 and 2. It doesn't matter whether or not any condition is satisfied. So if we did a full outer join here, our result will be all the rows A through H. There are lots of different reasons why you might choose SQL over Excel or vice versa. Depending on your needs, these are both great tools, and I hope this video was useful to you if you're considering making the switch to SQL. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Feel free to let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments below.